A lot of entourage on this side, but that's a lot of nectar. There's not a whole lot in here for eggs. Interesting. She may be in the top box. There ain't a whole lot right there for eggs laying. See, these are not drawn yet. These are old. They're not capped or drawn. Let's put these in. We'll check the top because there's not a whole lot of eggs in there. This might have been that small one that I was working on the other day. About 2 weeks ago, I had to do a walkway split, and this might be it. Ouch. I can get this back in there.